is this. It's okay, I will not cry. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amika and today I am up with a very last minute video on internship essentials. Basically मेरी internship first से चालू हो रही है and अभी 30th हो गई है because रात के 12:30 बज रहे हैं and मेरी ट्रेन सुबह 6 बजे की है, तो गॉड नोज मैं कब सोऊंगी, बट ठीक है. एंड मैंने अभी अपनी पैकिंग ख़त्म की है थोड़ी देर पहले एंड यू नो आई रियलाइज़ कि इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती है वो चेकलिस्ट में जो ख़त्म ही नहीं होती हैं. दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव चेकलिस्ट फॉर एवरीथिंग यू नीड फॉर योर इंटर्नशिप. ये मेरी पर्सनल चेकलिस्ट है एंड मैंने एक्चुअली ये सब सामान अपने बैग में रखा हुआ है. मैं कुछ चीज़ें अभी दिखा सकती हूँ एंड देर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स जो मैं नहीं दिखा सकती बिकॉज वो पैक हो चुकी है एंड मुझे थ्रेटन किया गया है मम्मी ने कि इफ़ मैं उन्हें निकालूंगी तो वो यहीं पे छोड़ दी जाएंगी, तो मैं नहीं निकाल सकती. बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी थिंग वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा नहीं है, बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. And I hope that this really helps you in your packing for your next internship. Basically I'm a law student and I intern in law firms. तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे unspoken rules होते हैं. There are some protocols that you have to follow. Obviously you have to be very diligent and sincere in your work. But आपके काम के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ आपके बारे में you know speaks volumes to your prospective future recruiter. By the way guys, मुझे बहुत कोल्ड और कफ हो रखा है एंड मुझे नोज़ पे ब्लश लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं हुई है, बट वीडियो बनाने का फुल चस्का है. तो आई एम हियर सिटिंग एट 12:30 1 o'clock in the morning and making this video when I have my train at 6 o'clock in the morning. So basically I do have like you know a whole list of things. बहुत लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट है ये and this is excluding my clothes. All of this is very optional but I really hope that it helps you, and without any further delay let's get started. So the aim of this video is to comprehensively cover every aspect of your internship month. It could be your requirements at the firm and your PG. Really hope that you find this helpful, and if you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and become a part of the family. So starting off with our basics, we have our stationery, which is a good notebook, a pen and a pencil. So you can have like a small notebook or a diary like this and a good pen with you. You know, whenever you go to take work, you have to write down every single thing that you hear, literally every single thing. People notice whether you're writing or not because that shows that you're paying attention and you intend to work on it as well. Even if you think that you can remember, just write it down. Trust me, it will help you a lot. So moving on to our next requirement, that is skincare. You need to have good skincare because internship में बहुत ही ज़्यादा hectic schedule हो सकता है and you know you don't have enough time to take care of your skin. You cannot have a 10 to 20 step skincare routine. You just can't do it sometimes. So you need to have very good basics like a good face wash, a good moisturizer, something that is well suited to your skin type. And I would highly suggest that you invest in good skincare. So I use two face washes. One is from Glam Glow and the other is from Cosrx. One is the salicylic acid face wash that I use in the morning and the Glam Glow charcoal face wash that I use in the evening. So I use salicylic acid face wash in the morning because मेरा combination skin type है. मेरी T-zone बहुत oily हो जाती है when I wake up in the morning. In the evening when I come back I need to take off the day. Basically I double cleanse. So first I double cleanse with Beauty of Giselle cleansing oil, and then I wash it off with the Glam Glow charcoal face wash. Trust me, it really cleans everything because दिन भर का इतना डर्ट होता है, मेकअप होता है, सब कुछ होता है and it has to like you know just I need my skin to breathe at night. So that is what I do. उसके बाद में I use the Laneige water sleeping mask. It is really good. I have been using it for a month and it really hydrates my skin and बहुत अच्छी feel होती है मेरी skin. Next thing that you need is a good sunscreen. You need a sunscreen. You have to apply a good sunscreen every single day, and not just on the face. You have to also apply it on your neck and your ears. This is a very big non-negotiable for me. I'm currently using 3 different types of sunscreen. One is a body sunscreen. One is a dewy sunscreen. It's from Biore. One is a mineral sunscreen which is from Clinique. मेरे को तीनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Alright, so the next thing that you need is a good lip balm. I'm using the lip mask from Laneige. It is very good. I have been loving it so far and it's obviously a cult favorite. सबको ही बहुत पसंद आता है. So there's this one thing I realized, that if you take care of your skin and if your skin feels nice, you don't feel as tired no matter how much work you have. And believe me, I have been in crushing workloads during my internship because I work in an area which has to do with transactions. सो बहुत ज़्यादा काम रहता है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम रहता है कभी कभी, एंड इट रियली kills you. I know a lot of people will be like कि भाई इतना टाइम ही नहीं रहता हमारे पास कि हम बैठ के स्किन केयर. You literally just have to have इतनी सी हिम्मत. Trust me, it makes a huge difference in the way you feel mentally as well. I have a few questions. You can leave them in the comments. I reply to all my comments. So good skincare obviously a must. Now let's move on to makeup. So I always wear very light makeup on my face. So for makeup, I would recommend a concealer that is very subtle, but at the same time it does its job very well. I use this one from Maybelline. I love this concealer so much. I am in the shade Caramel. You can also refer to any of the content creators. They love this concealer. No matter what other concealers they use, they will always come back to Maybelline's Age Rewind Eraser concealer. I love it so much. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा natural look देता है to your skin, and it's so blendable and it's amazing. And if you want to take it a step ahead and you want to apply foundation, I would recommend like a good dewy foundation. I'm using this one from Kiro, their dewy serum foundation. I'm in the shade Almond Beige. It actually has a very skin-like natural dewy finish, and it also does the job. So I would recommend getting this. My lip makeup is always very subtle in the office. I always use a lip liner which is very subtle and it goes with my skin tone. I use the one from Mars. It is in the shade 04 Scandalous Brown and ये already इतना ज़्यादा ख़त्म हो गया. मुझे ये lip liner बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because it has saved so many wrong purchases for me. So a good lip liner will go a long way. Let me tell you why. Because there are days when I don't apply lipstick and all I apply is a lip liner and a lip gloss. That is it, and it gives you such a beautiful finish. It looks very subtle and very nice. Recently I've been loving Mars Candylicious lip gloss. This is in the shade Caramel Crunch 03 and it looks very good. I'm wearing it right now and it looks so good. I'm actually wearing this combination right now and it looks so beautiful. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है ये. It's very subtle and perfect for work. You can obviously control the amount of gloss that you use. If you want to look at some other good nude lipsticks and if you are in my skin tone, then I would recommend getting Faces Canada's Sweet Mocha lipstick. It is so good and it looks so nice and beautiful. Let me just show you. Very natural, very nice. I wear this combination along with the Mars lip liner to office as well sometimes. And it's just very beautiful. Another recommendation would be getting this Blue Heaven Cookie and Souffle Cocoa Addict. I have been using it again with the Mars lip liner. भाई ये मैं हर चीज़ के साथ यूज़ करती हूँ. I love this lip liner so much, so much. But very good lipstick. There are a lot of other nude lipsticks that I will leave down in the link below that I have personally loved. एंड वो पैक हो चुके हैं एंड एज थ्रेटन मैं उनको बाहर नहीं निकाल सकती क्योंकि वो पैक हो गए हैं. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, अ गुड ब्लश, अ dewy blush which gives a very natural finish on your skin. I am loving this one right now. एक और है Inside Cosmetics का blush है which is also very good. It's in the shade Caramel Eclair. It looks very nice on my skin. It's a little darker than this. It's their super dewy liquid blush. ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुझे. It gives a very dewy natural finish, does its job. And Makeup Revolution के products मुझे actually बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because they are very high performance and they are affordable also. तो मुझे Makeup Revolution का ये वाला blush and इसका एक और shade है जो bright pink है वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Also need a good eyeliner. I use the one from NYX. It's their Epic Ink eyeliner. I've been using this since a very long time. मेरे को याद नहीं है कब से, but I've been using this and it's so good. It's very sharp. It gives you a very sharp wing if you want to make a wing. It has a very small tip, so you can just outline your eyes if you want to. And it is smudge proof. It is waterproof. So it's very good. Even if you're not using an eyeliner, तो जिस काजल को आप ऊपर ऐसे अपने waterline पे लगा लो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so the last thing for your makeup requirements is this Maybelline Sky High mascara. It is very good. If you can, then take before you apply your mascara, take some hot water in a glass, put it in a glass and then put it in that glass and then take it out and then apply your mascara and let me know the difference that you feel in your mascara application. We're coming to my favorite part, which is hair care. Hair उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, obviously you have your shampoo and conditioner, but for the days that you are overburdened with work, you come back home and you just don't feel like taking a shower, or the next morning you're running late and you don't have time to wash your hair, let me show you one savior that has saved me so many times. I cannot explain enough. It's a dry shampoo. This one is from Schwarzkopf and it is very good. I have also used one from Kevin Murphy. That has been my favorite. वो अभी खत्म हुआ है थोड़े टाइम पहले. Good dry shampoo will always save you from a bad hair day. So I would 100% recommend you to get this. This is very essential for your internship days. You need this. I have used 2 of Schwarzkopf, 1 of Batiste and 1 of Kevin Murphy so far. Another thing that I would recommend to keep in your office bag is this serum. This one is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. ये वाला size because you can just keep it in your bag and you know you work long hours. तो मेरे जो hair के ends है वो dry हो जाते हैं, so I can just you know freshen them up. थोड़ा सा लेके you know just quickly freshen it up. I have noticed whenever I work a lot and I focus for a very long time, तो मेरे बाल ऐसे खड़े होने लग जाते हैं. It's like my hair actually starts getting fried. I don't know, it's very weird. But that is what happens. Some other hair care essentials are a good heat protection spray because I do straighten my hair because I want to have a very clean look. And a good heat protection spray literally helps you prevent so much of damage to your hair. So if you style your hair very frequently, use that. And also कड़ी धूप के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होता है वो. It's like a hack. Even if you're not using straightener and आप धूप में काम कर रहे हो, a good heat protection spray will protect your hair. I also use a leave-in conditioner from Schwarzkopf again because मेरे बाल वही बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं, brittle हो जाते हैं, तो I use that as well. Then other things would obviously include good combs, hair ties, clips, whatever you can. Your hair can elevate or bring down your look and it speaks a lot about your personal hygiene. Guys, keep your hair clean and healthy because the person who's working with you can also see what's going on in your hair and you have to keep your hair clean. अगर आपके बाल गंदे रहेंगे, you know it will leave a bad impression on the person. Do not overuse this because it's a hack. Please do not overuse this. It is for the days where you are running late. Oh, before we move on, I would like to show you guys this. These are heating pads from Nua. So the period pain that I get is excruciating and मतलब मुझसे हिला नहीं जाता है, मैं बिल्कुल मूव नहीं कर पाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होता है मुझे पीरियड्स के टाइम पे. एटलीस्ट ऑन माई फर्स्ट डे एंड सेकेंड डे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होता है एंड आई नीड अ हीटिंग पैड ऑन मी ऑल द टाइम. तो एक तो हीटिंग पैड आई यूज़ दैट आई कैन यूज़ एट होम. But what about when I'm in the office? I use this. This is such a life-saving thing because you know you can just apply it and then you can go out. It lasts for about 8 hours. इसमें कुछ भी restrictive feeling नहीं होता है and it's very very comfortable. The only bad thing about this is that it is one use. So moving on to the other miscellaneous things that I keep in my office bag. I carry mini perfumes. So when I'm traveling, which I travel a lot because मैं किसी भी जगह 3 महीने से ज़्यादा रुकती नहीं हूँ. कॉलेज के बाद आई हैव माई इंटर्नशिप ब्रेक. इफ़ आई एम कमिंग होम देन वहाँ पे रुकती हूँ. देन आई गो फॉर वेयर आई हैव टू इंटर्न एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा मूव करना पड़ता. आई कैन नॉट ट्रैवल विद फुल साइज बॉटल्स एवरीवेयर. तो मिनी परफ्यूम्स रियली हेल्प अ लॉट. सो दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम Gucci. This is Gucci Flora. This one is Dylan Blue from Versace. And this one is from Victoria's Secret. So these mini perfumes don't really cost a lot. इसमें से ये दोनों मुझे गिफ्ट में मिले थे. ये मैंने खरीदा है एंड मेरे और भी मिनी परफ्यूम्स हैं जो ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. You can keep it in your bag. वेट रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होते अगर फ्लाइट से ट्रैवल कर रहे हो एंड यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस एज वेल. तो mini perfumes are a must. Instead of investing in full size perfumes, you can get sample sized bottles. Guys, ये काफ़ी सारा शहीद हो चुका है क्योंकि ये गिर गया एंड it's okay, I will not cry. Okay, alright, so the next thing that you want is a good mouthwash. I don't keep it in my purse, but a good mouthwash is a must because anybody who's talking to you can also smell what is coming out of your mouth. And there have been so many times, you guys, where the person in front of me has such a bad breath, but मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकती, but it totally ruins their impression. Please keep a good mouthwash. Use a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth very well twice a day. So other than that, in my bag I keep some mints. This is a very very strong mint. Really good option. You can keep mints or you can keep gum. You can also keep soft. I also keep soft with myself. It really helps freshen your breath and not encourage people to run away from you. So one thing I've noticed during a lot of internships is that we take our health for granted. हम लोग ढंग से खाना नहीं खाते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते हैं. मैंने बहुत internships करी हैं and I have noticed this one constant throughout. मेरी बहुत सारी चीज़ें improve हो जाती है, but एक चीज़ जो improve नहीं हो पाई थी for a very long time is my health. बिकॉज अगर खाना नहीं खाओगे ढंग से तो फिर यू नो यू विल फील मेंटली ड्रेन, यू विल नॉट फील एनर्जाइज्ड, कुछ करने का मन नहीं करेगा. एंड यू नीड टू हैव लाइक अ गुड प्रॉपर डाइट एंड यू नो नॉट स्नैक ऑन जंक फूड. So instead of snacking on junk food, I keep a big bag of dry fruits with me for the internship. And मैं छोटे छोटे boxes रखती हूँ जिसमें मैं dry fruits रख सकूँ. And I also have some seeds कि seeds भी रख सकूँ. You can have whatever dry fruits you like, whatever seeds you like, जो भी आपको चाहिए. You can have dates if you want, you can have figs if you want. तो मतलब जो भी आपके आप चल फिर के भी खाओ तो कम से कम ढंग का खाओ ताकि बॉडी में कुछ लगे एंड यू कैन यू नो फोकस वेल ऑन योर वर्क बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू maintain our health. And other than that, having some fruits every day is very very important. Some, if you want, you can have milk or you can have chas or you can have dahi, which is also very very important. So these are the things that you don't really need a lot of time to eat or to get. यू नो चलते फिरते खा सकते हो, जैसे भी खा सकते हो. एंड इवन इफ़ यू डोंट हैव टाइम एंड बस काम कर रहे हो तभी भी यू कैन डेफिनेटली हैव ड्राई फ्रूट साइड में रख के. सो दैट इज समथिंग यू कैन नॉट स्किप. अदर देन दीज टू थिंग्स आई एम ऑल्सो कैरिंग सम सत्तू. एंड इफ यू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ सत्तू विद सम वाटर इट विल मेक यू फील फुल एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्दी. ऑब्वियसली दिस डज नॉट रिप्लेस अ प्रॉपर मील, but these are some options. And I also always carry some ORS with me because you never know when you might need it. Also when you're out, get a good battery life wala power bank. When I intern in a city that I don't know a lot about, you know, when there are late nights at the firm and मेरे फ़ोन में अगर बैटरी नहीं है, this will save me. This will literally save me because I don't want to travel alone at night without any battery in my cell phone. A good power bank will never be a bad investment, you guys. Okay, now a few other things that I would recommend is a good foot tape because I wear heels to my internship and बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे शू बाइट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं तो यू कैन गेट अ फ्यू फुट टेप्स. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वेयर फ्लैट्स में भी बहुत बार शू बाइट हो जाते हैं तो दैट इज़ देयर. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ फैशन टेप फॉर इट एंड फैशन टेप का मल्टीपर्पज़ होगा. आई नो अनुष्का हाजिरा कैरीज फैशन टेप विद हर ऑल द टाइम because you never know when you might need it. Another thing that you can keep with yourself are band-aids for shoe bites. They will also really help you. Also a few shoe hacks. Before you wear your shoe, you can spray some deodorant on it or apply some roll-on deo on it and then wear your shoe. It really makes a difference and does not cause shoe bites. ये मैंने personally try किया and it actually helped out. Also guys, keep a lint roller with you always. Will help you so much. Apart from that, in my bag I keep like a small lotion or a hand cream. This is actually a foot cream but it's very very moisturizing, so I use it as a hand cream. It's very very good. Okay, another thing which is not a necessity but I prefer having it is this hair finishing stick. This is from So True and it is for days when you want to make like a you know slick hairstyle. It is really good. मेरे बहुत सारे बेबी हेयर जैसे उड़ने लगते हैं तो उनको नीचे करने के लिए दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड. बिल्कुल नॉन स्टिकी है, नॉन ग्रीजी है. आई विल ऑल्सो लीव माई लिस्ट in the description box and links to any products that you might want to check out. And that's it. Let me know what you would like to watch next time and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment and share this with your friends and subscribe and become a part of the family, and I will see you next time. Bye.